guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and today we're going to be making some bomb chicken Alfredo stuffed shells. If you love stuffed shells, you're definitely going to love this recipe. I don't know where you guys are at, but here in New York, it's brick. It's brick as hell. Miami me please. But you know I still gotta have my crack. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So in a bowl, we're just going to put some chicken breast and then drizzle some olive oil on top and season it with some salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. And just massage that in. And if you see that my nails is chipped, mind your business and don't come for me because y'all love coming for people on social media, especially YouTube. I swear to God, I think it'd be like freaking 12-year-old little kids just saying some dumb crap on YouTube and just like Instagram and stuff like that. Always got something to say. Oh, your nails are chipped. Oh, you didn't do that right, boy. If you're from New York, you know exactly what I wanted to say just now. If you on SMD, man, get out of here. Go argue with your mother. Anyway, back to the video. We're just going to salt the water and we're going to add in our shells and just cook that until it's al dente. Now we're just going to heat up some olive oil in a pan and then sweat the onions. I added in a little bit more onions than what I labeled in the recipe in the description box because I was just trying to get rid of the onions. But 2 tablespoons should be fine. And then we're going to add in our minced garlic and just sweat that out. Now we're just going to add in some heavy cream. I've seen Alfredo sauce made this way, and I've also seen it made with like cream cheese and I think milk. You can do whatever you want, but this is how I make my Alfredo sauce. So we're just going to add in some heavy cream, bring that to a boil. Now once it comes to a boil, we're just going to add in some grated parmesan. Then we're going to season it with a little bit of black pepper and salt. And then we're going to taste it and make sure it's good. Now we're just going to go ahead and shred the chicken with our hands. And make sure to do this while it's still kind of hot. You don't want to do this when it gets cold because it's going to be way too hard to do. Then we're going to add in some ricotta cheese, parmesan cheese, dried oregano, dried basil, fresh parsley, mozzarella cheese, an egg, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm cooking, I tend to just throw whatever in there. Like I'm not really measuring anything. The only time I measure stuff is when I'm baking. I feel like, well, not that I feel, but I know that with baking you have to be more precise or it's just going to be a disaster. But with cooking it's more so forgiving. So yeah, I'm just usually just throwing stuff in there, but then since I'm creating recipes now that people are using, I'm doing my best to measure. So, yeah. Now we're just going to combine everything and then we're good to go. So by this point, everything should be ready to go. So now we're just going to put some Alfredo sauce on the bottom of a pan and just spread that out. Then we're going to take our shell and we're going to stuff it with the mixture that we just made. And then we're just going to place it on top of the Alfredo sauce. Now, once we have all the stuffed shells stuffed, we're going to sprinkle, well, not sprinkle, we're going to pour over the rest of the Alfredo sauce, and then we're going to sprinkle it with some mozzarella cheese. Once that's done, we're going to bake it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I decided to make some cheesy garlic bread to go with this. Not the recipe is nothing crazy, but it's just two cloves of garlic, a stick of butter, dried oregano, dried basil, garlic powder, fresh parsley, a little bit of black pepper, and just mix that up. Boom, boom, boom. Then I got some of these hoagie rolls. Why my voice crack like that? Then I got some of these hoagie rolls, and we're just gonna put that on parchment paper and then spread the butter mixture on top. Sprinkle it with some cheese, put it in the oven like 400 degrees for like 10 minutes, and then bomb. That's gonna go with our chicken Alfredo stuffed shells. So this is what the stuffed shells look like when they come out the oven. We're just gonna sprinkle that with some fresh parsley, and then we can enjoy. Okay, sis. Nah, this looks mad good. And like I said before, it's super easy and it's dumb good. So you guys definitely want to check out this recipe. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments if you guys enjoy this recipe and if you check it out. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.